trade 1, 2, 3 days, and we're at the beginning of the 4th day. So we start down, nothing there, nothing there, and so far our dream catcher method has not given a buy signal at all. Okay, now looks like we're starting to consolidate, so I'd watch it there. Now on this bar here, it looks like, let's see, did we get a buy signal? We did not get a buy signal on this bar. So let's see what the next bar does. Okay, next bar continues down. Okay, and continues down. Now it looks like we've got another little swing high here on the hourly chart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my stop right above this top here, protect some more profit. That high is 102.61, so we're going to put our stop at 102.63, just above that high, to protect as much profit as we can. Because remember, these are hourly chart or hourly bars, so each bar represents 1 hour of trading. So I'm going to try to protect as much profit as possible. So now we've finished 1, 2, 3, 4 days. We're going into the 5th day. On the 5th day, we opened up here, and looks like we're still going down a little bit there. Oh, we're continuing down. Very nice. Since we're short, it's very nice for us. Okay, now we started going up here. Let's take a look, and it looks like we have a buy signal above this high. So what I'm going to do, since on the hourly chart I got a buy signal above that high is at 102.03, so I'm going to put my stop at 102.05. So I'll go ahead and put a stop there. Let's see what happens the next bar. Oh, it was not hit, so we are still short, and it's going down there, so we're still short there. Let's see what happens here. Okay, we continued down very nicely. Next bar, we went back up. Now let's take a look here on this bar here. It looks like we got a buy signal. Okay, so we have a buy signal. The high here is 101.80. I'm going to put my stop at 101.82. So we got in here, and now we're down to 101.82. I have a stop in. Let's see what happens. The next hour, the bar pushed up, and what did it get to? The high was 102.05. So we got out at 102.82. So we have been stopped out. We started up here and took a nice ride all the way down there on the hourly chart. Let's see what happens next. Okay, we went down a little bit more. Now we went up again, and last bar of the day finished down. Now, we could have, if we just held it, we could have made a little bit more profit. And if we had gotten in at the open, just taking the trade date, we would have gotten in here. Instead, we got in just a little below that, and we actually got out just right here instead of down here. So had we taken just the payday trade date by itself, we would have made about 68 cents more per 100 shares, or 68 cents more per share. Now, generally, the payday trading method usually makes on an average of about $500 per 100 shares. So the nice thing about knowing that is you can decide how much you want to make. Now, of course, some months you may make more, other months you may make less. On this trade, we actually went short up here and got out down here. We made $3.75 per share. So per 100 shares is $375. Didn't quite make the average that it normally makes, but it still made a nice little profit there. Now, generally speaking, if you want to make $500, then trade 100 shares. If you want to make it about 1,000, trade 200. If you want to make 2,000, trades 400 shares. This month, looks like we only made $375 per 100 shares. But you know, if you had 600 shares, then you would have made a nice little profit there. The nice thing about this is you know what the average amount is you generally make, whether you make that or not each month. You know, sometimes you make a good bit more, other times you make a little bit less. But we had another successful payday trade using the Dreamcatcher trading method. And, you know, it doesn't make money every single month, but using it with the payday trading method, or using the payday trading method with the Dreamcatcher trading method, makes it even more accurate. And generally, I mean, there's a lot of programs out there, a lot of trading methods out there that are only accurate about 50% of the time. The thing about it is, those programs, those trading methods make a lot of money. As long as you're making more money than you are when you lose, making more money than you're losing, then it's gonna be profitable. But with me, I would much rather have higher accuracy because I know that I'm making money more times than I'm losing, and I am making a lot more on the winning trades than I'm losing on the losing trades. So I'd rather trade more accurate trading methods rather than a 40 or 50% accurate trading method. I figure I can flip a coin and be accurate half the time, you know. Um, so the payday trading method is a fantastic method. It's very accurate. It makes a great deal of money. Um, and when you combine that with the Dreamcatcher trading method, and the Dreamcatcher trading method by itself is usually accurate between 75 and 80% of the time itself. So both of those methods together usually gives you a very, very good trade. So that's it for the video. I hope you've enjoyed this. Um, and you have a wonderful evening or afternoon, and good trading to you.